So as you can see, my garage is full, and what I want to do is I want to make a space for this kayak that I bought. A couple weeks ago I bought this kayak. I actually bought two kayaks. One kayak here, and I've managed to put another kayak up there. So as you can see, it's pretty full, and I know that there's no room in here. So I've made places to hang my bikes, and everything's here. If I can hang these bikes up to make space. But for right now, I have space for those bikes already up there. Okay, so I'm gonna make a hanging space to hang the kayak. So this video documentary is about making a ceiling hanging kayak rack for this kayak. So my plan is to install some pulleys and hangers here in this area next to the kayak that I've managed to set aside up here. So the ladder here is so that I could climb up, drill holes up into those rafters here. Okay, the lines here indicates that there's a rafter here, and they nailed the sheetrocks onto there. There's a nail right there, and there's a nail right here, and so on. So in this video, I'm hoping to create a pulley system that I can hang my kayak on, and this is my plan. So I'm going to need this, and I'm going to need this. So let me pre-install this so that you have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how I'm going to set it up. This will go into the ceiling, and this right here, this pulley right here, you can see that, will be where the rope goes into. Okay, and this as well. So one will be on each end of the kayak, and I'm going to be measuring the spot where I'll be hanging the kayak. So that's just how I do it. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to use a drill bit to pre-drill a hole so I could screw this into the ceiling, and then I'm going to use this type of rope. It's an all-purpose clothesline, and so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to okay, so this is what I did, and this is how I did my kayak. It's hung up here, and I put those two dowels here that goes through the holes here, so that it'll hold the kayak up. And this right here, I tied this end right here there, and then this rope right here goes down to here, and it ties to this one where it holds the boat up there. And that's how you make space in a tight garage. So now I have two kayaks being stored away up into the ceiling.